In nature, there exists a phenomenon where a single tree can produce enough oxygen for two human beings, highlighting the incredible balance of our ecosystem. These towering mountains hold secrets of ancient times, witnessing the dance of glaciers and the growth of forests over millennia. The Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of our planet, producing over 20% of the world's oxygen and housing an abundance of unique species. Pollinators like bees play a crucial role in the growth of about 1/3 of the food we consume, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things.